Hi guys, today we will see stage of Linux boot process. There are six type Linux boot process level. We will see. First one is BIOS, second one is MPR, third one is crypt, fourth one is kernel, fifth one is init, sixth run level. Okay. Stage of Linux boot process. Yeah. Uh, Today we will install and configure of uh, CentOS. We have multiple Linux system. I took my favorite Linux distribution is CentOS. Today I will configure CentOS operating system. I took VMware workstation. Anyone? First you click create a new virtual machine. Virtual machine or instant or all are same. It appearance three install disk file, and I will install operating system later. You can choose second one. Before you can download CentOS operating system, go to send official state and download it. Choose that path. I already downloaded. Choose CentOS 7, then click next. You define virtual machine name, anyone, your wish. Then choose virtual machine path. I prefer 40 GB is enough. Go to browser, and it is located D drive is enough. You can choose D drive, create new file. Okay. Define any file name. CentOS 7. CentOS 7. Already. Okay, no issue. Click next. Define hard disk size. I prefer 40 GB. 40, 40. Click next. Finish. Yeah, I, I have successfully configured which engine type. BIOS means stands for Basic Input Output System. Perform some system integrity check. Search, load, and execute bootloader program. Bootloader means ISO file or any CD. It look for bootloader in floppy, CD drive, hard drive. You can you can press a key, typically F12 and F2, depend on your system during BIOS startup to change the boot sequence. One Once bootloader program is detected and loaded into memory, BIOS gives the control it. So simple term, BIOS load and execute MBR bootloader. Alright. MBR standard for master boot recorder. It located first sector of bootable disk, typically DOW STA. So simple term MBR load and execute CRUP. Right. CRUP stand for Can Unify Bootloader. You can, if you have multiple kernel image, you can choose which one to be executed. Kernel display, a flash screen. Wait for few seconds. If you don't enter anything, it loaded the default kernel image as specified in the crypt configuration file. Crypt configuration file is located boot crypt.config, right? Crypt configuration file. Crypt configuration file is boot. All right. Boot uh, crypt.config. All right. Okay. So single term, crypt just load and xcode kernel and init or the image. This one already start of kernel image is loaded successfully. Kernel mount the root file system as specified in the crypt configure. Kernel execute ASP init program. Init RD stands for initial RAM disk. Init RAM is used by kernel as temporary root file system until kernel is bootable and real root file system is mounted. Init init look at /etc init tab file. Decide the init run level. There is 7 type: 0 halt, 1 single user mode, 2 multi-user mode without enough, 3 means full multi-user mode, 4th unusable, 5th graphical user, 6th reboot. Okay. Init level. Init init level is very important. Init 0 means halt. Halt means uh, shutdown. Init 1 single user mode. Single user mode. uh, init init to multi-user mode. Multi-user mode. Init for unused. Init 5 graphical user mode. User mode. Init 6 reboot. Okay, got it. Run level program. uh, 6 1 in run level program. When Linux system is boot up, you might see various service getting started. It default service SMB and rsync and FTP. The service is run level running program. All right, got it. This is first page. Welcome to CentOS. You can choose language, uh, English, India. Continue. You can installation summary, date and time, keyboard, language support, software, installation source, and software selection, installation destination, term, uh, network host name, security policy. Uh, Installation source, you can bootloader program located. This is you downloaded iOS image. Okay, it is verified. Then software selection, minimum installation, minimal installation, basic install setup. It take a few memory. Then compute node, infrastructure server, file and print server, basic web server, virtualization host, server with GUI, no desktop, KDU Plasma Workface. You can choose server with GUI. Uh, it is simple GUI, graphical user mode. It is managing very simple. So choose server with GUI. If you need FTP service, storage service, if you need, you can choose. Otherwise, you ignore it. Done. Next step, installation destination. Go to we predefined hard disk size is 40 GB. All is set. Configure automatically configure partitioning. If you like, you will configure partition separately. So it is enough automatically configured partitioning. Done. It will take some time. Click begin installation. Set root password. Anything. Done. Okay. If you like username, choose any. Okay. All is set. It will take some time. Yeah. Installation was completed successfully. CentOS is now installed successfully. Once done, it seemed like this page. Click reboot option. All is good. Rebooting Linux file system. This is a kernel image. uh, Crypt display a flash screen. Wait for few seconds. If you don't enter anything, it load the default kernel image specified in kernel configuration file. That's all. Yeah, all is good. It loaded. It is init level. It was. It is running init level. We can choose init level. It automatically go to init level 5. Init level 5 means graphical user mode, right? Yeah. Then license information. Click accept license agreement. Done. Network choose default network adapter. Right. Finally finish configuration. Yeah, all is good. Set. It is authentication stage. Enter username and password. It is loading. It take few minutes. That's it, guys. You will see the next stage process. The next stage you will access to terminal page. This is the run level program, utility, system tool, terminal. Guys, um, if you like IP address, put the command IP face hyphen a. You can see IP address. It is class CIP 192.168.70.129. You would like to SSH connection outside. You need to enable SSH service. The command is service sshd start. You will see status. Yes, it is run level program is successfully running. SSH service is active and running. That's guys. You will try to install this setup. Thank you guys.